guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always do my hand like this, like my channel is behind me, but welcome back to my channel. I'm Nono B. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. So today is a vlog, just like, I don't know, a Sunday vlog. Today is quite, the weather is so dull today. It's like October or something, and I just saw my snap memories like 3 years ago. I was wearing like hoodie, but it's not warm enough yet. It hasn't been warm enough, cold enough for hoodies, and I can't wait. I don't know why. I just can't wait. But I went to the balcony today, and it's a bit cool. So maybe I'll wear a long sleeve. I'm about to go to the gym. It's like 10 a.m. 10 a.m. I woke up like, I don't know, 8 something or maybe 9. I don't know. But yeah, I'm dressed to go to the gym today. Let me see what I'm wearing. So this one I'm wearing, just my leggings, these TikTok leggings, and this sports bra. The orange is clashing with the pink. But of course, I'm going to wear a top over this. And I'm tying my hair because I have my wig underneath. And I glued it with gel, and it looks like it's going to come off. I don't want it to come off. Oh my god, I really don't want it to come off because I want to wear it again tomorrow. So I'll just leave it like this and go to the gym like this and hope it does not come off, or I might change it. I don't know. See what I said about how dull the weather is? Can you focus? Yeah, it's been like this for a few days. But like, they said there was supposed to be a typhoon, but it never came. Yeah. And now it's finally cold. Like, people are wearing long sleeves downstairs. So I guess I can wear mine to the gym because it's actually cold. Finally. We have chickens as our neighbors. Look here. I don't know if you can see. Here. The chickens. To the gym we go. I haven't eaten. And I don't want to like faint at the gym, so I'm going to buy bananas. I always eat like 2 bananas. Not always, but if I'm going to the gym in the morning and I haven't eaten, I eat 2 bananas because I get too tired and I want to faint. There's the sleep on my face. Oh, okay, let's go. I'm wasting time now. Put on a shirt, and I wore this headband, and I hope it stays. Anyway, I have the whole day to fix the wig for tomorrow, so that's that. Let's go.
This is Raven Beats.
So I just finished at the gym, and now I'm sorry about the cars. I just finished at the gym, and now the sun is shining. When I left my house, there was no sun, but it's not that hot though. While I was at the gym, I received like 3 of my packages, so that makes it 4 in total. So I'm going to the Friday shop to pick them up. Oh, I'm so tired. I was supposed to bring out fish for Agatha, but I forgot. So I'm going to go home and bring it out now and pick up my packages. Yay. McQuaidie, I'm still disgusting from the gym. I was doing these. Yesterday I bought banga. So today I'm going to try and make banga soup stew. What's banga soup called? Ofe Akwu, right? Ofe Akwu, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna make it today. This is 500 grams. Got on Taobao. Okay, this I think is my macaroni. Ooh, free. Oh, it says me this for free because I know I didn't buy this. I've never eaten this rice pasta. It's risotto. Barilla is my favorite brand, but they're expensive, but they're still my favorite brand. But this is my favorite macaroni. This one, the elbow macaroni. And Barilla is my favorite brand because it's so tiny. I prefer the big size, but I prefer these small sizes. And I bought these specifically for macaroni and to keep other things too. It's not closing because it's too much. Legit not closing. Anyway, I'll eat it maybe. No. Am I stressing myself? I can split it. I'm going to put half inside this one. These are airtight, so macaroni are very. I think this is my book. I bought a book. Yes. Yeah. I got this book. One of Us is Lying. I downloaded it, but I never read it. Then, one time on YouTube, I saw the ad for the series, and I was like, "Oh, the series is out. Let me buy the book." And then the book has a part 1 and part 2. So I bought the second book, but I bought them from different shops, so that's why they're in different packages. Oh wow, so pretty. This one is bigger like a notebook. Why is it so wide like this? How have you been reading a book and it's wide like you're writing in it? Anyway, different sizes. One of Us is Lying, One of Us is Next. I like them. I don't know if I should watch the series or read the book first. I don't know. But then the series is not complete, so. This last one is a dress. It's supposed to be for Halloween, but I still don't know what I'm going to go for as Halloween. Go as for Halloween, yeah. This is a dress. I don't want to open it because I might have to send it back, so I'll figure it out. Cooking, and I decided to add. I'm cooking a noodle. I'm just letting it cook here on low heat because I'm already done. And this is the banga. I put so much water, but I just want the water to boil down, and then I will continue. I had to add like fresh cabbage, but there's no cabbage, so I'm going to add lettuce here. But before that, I cooked chicken yesterday and I didn't use it. I put it in the fridge. I'm gonna microwave it. It looks so dehydrated. Ew. Oh god, the fat has solidified. Jeez. I'm gonna microwave it and then put it. Eat it with my noodles. I'm going to the mall. So I'm wearing. Okay, so I'm waiting for the elevator, and the next location you see me is at the mall. Let me fix this hair because baby better. home and I'm thirsty and you're calling. I just realized that the only water I drank, the only water I drank was at the gym. So I'm going to drink more water now. So thirsty. Water from our sweet dispenser. Those pictures on the wall, I selected them. You know what that means? Oh shit, I'm a good art person. Cold. I was going to go outside. I'm pouring water everywhere. I'm supposed to sit out here. You know? Oh god, I spilled water on myself like 3 times. That was I'm going to get more. I bought milk candy. So delicious. I'm sorry about all the noise. Oh yeah. It's cold. Well, yes, see? The last time I did it was cold. I don't have to be running up. You don't wear my hands. Because I'm not found it and it's in my hands. I think I should take off my clothes. I don't want to do a champagne party. So, yeah. What? So this thing has finally started cooking. I only added fish. Here is my beef and chicken. It was all the way up here, literally, like I let it boil down and reduce to here, and I didn't use enough banga. Next time this goes out perfectly, I'm going to buy twice the size. But yeah, finally. But the pot is too big, I realized. I'm going to transfer it to a smaller pot. But I think I should leave it here. I'll transfer it to a smaller pot. So this is what it looks like now. I think it's done. I tasted it and it does not taste like banga, and I'm going to blame it on the banga because this is Chinese banga and not Nigerian banga. I'm going to turn it off and eat it with rice. So it still tastes good, but it doesn't taste like the tinned one that I bought tastes more like banga, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm done cooking. So guys, I guess this is the end. I'm trying to do a good angle. Yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna eat now and clean up because the kitchen is a mess. So bye.